To show or hide Google Task reminders notification icon pages in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and enter settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen, tap tap settings for Google Apps, and then select Search Assistant and Voice. Tap Notifications, and then tap Notification again. Select Task Reminders, and then to show Google Task Reminder notification as icon pages, tap up icon pages switch until blue, or to hide tap switch until black or until white. Tap switch until blue to show Google Task Manager up icon pages, or tap switch until black or white to hide. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.